Rory Goddard here, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. Then once I've shown you how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing, I'm then going to show you how you can turn this into a regular monthly recurring income that's passive in nature. Now, before we get into the main content of this video, I do want to show you 3 reasons why most people fail at affiliate marketing so you can avoid these things and actually be successful with the strategies that I show you today. The first reason that most people fail at affiliate marketing is because they don't fully commit. Now, when most people commit to some sort of goal, usually they're committing to the end result. They're committing to that actual goal. What they don't commit to is the process of getting to that goal. For example, I've seen a lot of people who have the goal of losing weight. They're committed to losing weight, but they're not committed to changing their diet or getting out and actually doing exercise. And we all know that these are 2 lifestyle changes that are necessary to actually lose weight, but a lot of people struggle to actually make these changes. And a similar thing happens with affiliate marketing, because the fact is that to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing, the chances are you're going to actually have to put in a little bit of work, do things that may make you feel uncomfortable or challenge you in some respect. Now, you can't just be committed to the end result of making your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. You need to be committed to the process of getting there, actually going out there and overcoming the challenges and the barriers that are going to be in your way to reaching that result. Otherwise, as soon as you hit those barriers, as soon as you hit those challenges, you're going to get unmotivated and you're not going to push through and actually, implement those things that you need to implement to create that first $1,000 in your affiliate marketing business. So let me know below, guys, are you actually ready to do this? Are you fully committed to making money online? You're obviously someone looking to try and make money online, but are you fully committed? Are you ready to actually get outside your comfort zone, start taking action and do things that you might not necessarily feel like or want to do? Are you ready? Are you fully committed? Let me know below, guys. Right down there, I'm fully committed. Let's go. The second reason most people fail at affiliate marketing is because they're following too many people. They're following too many gurus online. They're opting into so many different email lists. They're getting emails every single day from multiple different people. They're on different YouTube channels. They're in different YouTube groups, getting information from all of these different places, and it's overwhelming them. It's confusing them. It's not giving them a clear path and step-by-step action plan to actually creating the result that they're looking for. While there are multiple different ways of getting to your first $1,000, you need to actually identify, this is the person that I'm going to follow, this is the path that I'm going to take, so that you can avoid confusion, overwhelm, frustration, and just have that step-by-step plan. You need to identify one mentor to follow and stick with that mentor and just commit to the process that they've laid out for you. The third reason that most people fail at affiliate marketing is that they give up too early. And the big reason why they give up too early is because they go into it with the wrong mindset. So what I want to do for you now is create a mindset shift within you that is really going to set you up for success with your affiliate marketing business. So I'm going to run you through this little diagram here that's going to show you what most people expect when they first get into business online. So most people come into business with the employee mindset where, I want you to imagine that this axis along the bottom here is the amount of time that you put into work, or your business. And this here is your amount of pay. So most people come into the online world thinking that, with this mindset that, the more as they put in time into their business, they're automatically going to get paid in a linear fashion, as you do with a job. You put in the time, you get paid for the hours that you do. That's what most people expect when they first get into it. They might not consciously expect that, but that's really what they're expecting. They're expecting to put in the time and effort, and they're automatically going to get paid in a linear fashion according to that time and effort. But the reality is it doesn't look like that. There is going to be a period where you're putting in the work, you're dedicating time and energy to the business, but your income is going nowhere. You need to be able to push through that period and actually get to this point here where you start to see exponential results, where all of that time and energy and work actually starts to compound and pay you exponentially, a lot more than what you would be getting in a traditional job. And the fact is that most people can't get past this period. They they get into business, they put in the time and energy, and because they're not seeing the immediate reward for that work and energy that they're putting in, they feel frustrated, they get discouraged, and they can't push through that initial barrier to getting to this point where they'll actually start to reap the rewards of the efforts that they've put in. So now that you know what it takes to be successful with affiliate marketing, now's a perfect time to run you through a step-by-step plan to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing as soon as possible. But once I've done that, I'm also going to show you how you can set this business up to create passive income, make that $1,000 commission a monthly recurring income, and even progress that up to $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 per month, depending on how much you want to put into this business. Step number one is to choose a niche and identify one profitable product to promote. So what I'm talking about here is identifying a particular target audience that have a specific challenge or problem that they're trying to overcome in their life, or a specific goal that they're trying to achieve, that they're willing to hand over money for, something that's actually going to help them get there or overcome that challenge. So you want to identify that particular target audience, and then you want to go out there and you want to find a profitable product to promote to that target audience. Now, to find a product that's profitable, I recommend you look for a product that you genuinely believe in, a product that's out there already proven to create the result that your target audience is looking to achieve. If you can find a product that does that, it's going to be a hell of a lot easier for you to sell, not just because it's getting people results, but also because you're going to feel a lot more comfortable in all of your marketing material actually selling this product to people. And that's going to come across in your marketing material. Number two, I recommend you look for a product where you're going to earn at least $500 to $1,000 in commissions per sale. Now that's going to make it a hell of a lot easier for you, not only to get to your first $1,000, because all you're going to need to do is make 1 to 2 sales of that product, but it's also going to make it a hell of a lot easier for you to scale up your business and turn that into a $1,000 to $3,000 per month income online. As a beginner affiliate marketer, it's at this point where it becomes very tempting just to go and get the affiliate link to this product that you've decided to promote and just start generating traffic directly to this affiliate link. But I can tell you now that this is the worst thing to do. And the only reason, most beginners do this is because it's the easiest way. It's the path of least resistance. You don't have to put any additional work. But like I said, guys, earlier, if you're going to really commit to this and you want to actually turn affiliate marketing into a full-time business, you need to go out there and you need to do the necessary steps, the things that are actually proven to get results online. So what you're going to want to do is move on to step number 2, which is to maximize and automate your conversions using a sales funnel. So if you've not heard of a sales funnel before, I'm just going to run you through this example template of an affiliate sales funnel, show you each of the steps and why each of these steps are important. All right, so this is the sales page of the product that you're promoting, and this is, the affiliate link that someone's clicked on. This is where it's going to take them if they click on it. So rather than sending people directly to this page, what you want to do is you want to send them to what's called a landing page. So this is a page where you're collecting their details. Now, the reason why this is so important is because what they've shown is it takes up to 7 points of contact for someone to actually feel comfortable handing over their money for something online. So if you're sending people directly to this sales page, a lot of those people are just going to be bouncing off that sales page and they're not going to make the purchase. What you want, and you're never going to even know who these people are. These people that have clicked on your affiliate link, they've identified themselves as being your target audience, but you've got no idea who they are. You haven't been able to collect any details off them. So rather than sending them directly there, you want to send them to a landing page where you can collect their email so that you can follow up with them and create those 7 points of contact so that they're, taking them down this process of getting to know, like, and trust you, learn about the product, how it's going to help them, why they need this product in order to achieve their result or overcome that challenge that they're trying to overcome. And it's through that process that they're going to build the confidence and the comfort levels to actually pull out their wallet and hand over money for this product. So the way that you would set up a landing page is you would give something to them for free, like it's some sort of report, video training series, something like that. And by the way, if you want to actually copy my business model, this thing, I recommend you hang around to the end. I'm going to show you how you can potentially get access to have this basically set up mostly for you. But anyway, so once they've opted in, they'll go on to what's called an email list, and you can automate emails out to them for the following, 6 to 7 days. The emails that continue to provide them value, continue to take them through this process of getting to know, like, and trust you, continuing to educate them about what the product is that you're promoting, how it's going to help them, why they need that product, and continuing to send them through your affiliate link back to the sales page, creating those multiple points of contact. Now, once they put in their email, so they're automatically going to be sent through that process, but once they put in their email there as well, they should automatically be redirected to what's called a bridge page. And this is ultimately where they're going to first learn about the product that you're promoting. So they've opted in for this freebie that you're giving to them. Now you're going to, send them to this bridge page where you might introduce yourself, tell them a bit about who you are, let them know how they're going to be receiving this free training, but then you also want to let them know about this other product that you're promoting. Start to educate them about this product, again, why they need this product, how it's going to help them, why they need it if they're actually going to achieve the goal that they're trying to achieve or overcome the challenge that they're trying to achieve. And then you're going to go check out the link below, send them through the link below, buy now, sign up. That's where your affiliate link is, so they can click on that and go through to the sales page. And hopefully the owner of that product has a high converting sales page that will help with that process. Some more advanced strategies is to also include like a bonus stack. So you would give them additional bonuses for purchasing through your affiliate link. Step number 3 is to attract your target audience into your sales funnel and ultimately to the product that you're promoting. Now I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can do that today. I'm going to show you the first way is a way to generate fast results. The second way is a way to turn this more into a passive income strategy, and you can combine the two. So you can go out there, implement the first strategy I show you to start generating traction immediately and start making sales sooner rather than later. And the second way is going to be, it's going to take a bit longer to set up, but once you've got it going, it's going to have the capacity to earn you passive income, make you money while you sleep, while you go away on holidays, all of that fun stuff. So the first strategy I'm going to show you to generate fast results is to utilize Facebook, your Facebook profile. Now, you're welcome to use your current Facebook profile, or you could always start a new profile for the purposes of your affiliate marketing business. But essentially, you want to optimize your Facebook profile to direct them into your sales funnel. So as you can see here, want to leverage a 7-figure business and make $1,000 commissions where 90% of the work is done for you. Click the link in my bio. So you want, depending on what your target audience is, you want to have something that is going to entice them to actually click on your link and go through your sales funnel. You can also have the option of setting up like a feature image there as well. Now, once you have this part of it set up, then what you want to go out and add targeted friends. You want to find targeted friends who are within your target audience. Now, the way that you can do that is you can go to groups. You can just search groups. Let's just say that you were in the weight loss industry. You were selling a weight loss product. Weight loss, you could just go in and search for weight loss. You can find these groups where they're targeted audiences. So this group here has 27,000 members that you can go in there, you can start communicating with these people, you can start, this is why it's a way to generate quick results, because you can immediately get in front of your target audience, start conversing with them, building relationships with them, answering people's questions, being a valuable part of the community in these different weight loss groups. And then that's going to draw people to you, to your profile page. They'll see your cover image and if they want to find out more, they'll click on your link, go through your sales process, and you've got this all set up to optimize the conversions. You can also go into these groups and add them as friend, and then you can use posts on your, build a relationship with these people that you become friends with by continuing to provide them value, showing them that you're someone that can give them the right advice and someone that they can trust to actually go and purchase the products that you're recommending. So you can create regular content and direct them through your content on your Facebook wall back to your sales funnel. So that's the first method, and like I said, this is a quick way to generate affiliate sales because you can get in front of your target audience immediately. So the downside with this Facebook method is that in order to actually continue getting results, you really need to be continually at it. You need to consistently be on Facebook, creating content, reaching out to your target audience. Otherwise, you're not going to get results. You know, if you were to go away on holidays or whatever and you're not being consistent with it, during that time, you're probably not going to make any sales. On the other hand, if you want to actually, you know, create some more passive income with your affiliate marketing business, then what I recommend you do is create a YouTube channel and or a blog website. Now, like I said, these are probably going to take a little bit longer to start getting results. They take a bit of time to start gaining traction and getting your content out in front of your target audience. But once you do, you know, once you've actually put in the work and you've created your content and you've put it out there and you've started to build up an audience, that content is going to be online forever and ever and ever, and there's always going to be new people searching online, finding that content, and through that content you're going to be providing them with value, taking them through the process of getting to know, like, and trust you, and then sending them to your sales funnel in that content. And that's going to be on there for a lifetime, you know, doing that for you. All right, guys, so obviously you can take away what I've just taught you. You can take away these 3 steps and start implementing them straight away, and I recommend you do so. If, however, you feel like you need a little bit more assistance and guidance on how to actually make $1,000 sales online with affiliate marketing, then I recommend you head down to the description, click the first link and sign up to the 100% free training. It's a 3-part video series that will go into a lot more detail into the steps that I've just shown you. It'll make it a lot easier for you to actually go out and implement these steps effectively. Other than that, guys, that's everything for today's video. I really hope that you got value from that, and if you did, I would appreciate a big thumbs up. If you want to continue learning more about different ways of making money online, make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching.